All right, you're welcome to Heroic Online Computer Institute. This is an opportunity for you to learn how to design a home page for free. Okay, you are here actually because I am sure that you are interested in learning web development. Okay, you want to learn. You possibly want to pay to learn web development, but you probably want to have a test, okay, of what I teach in my institute, Heroic Online Computer Institute, before you consider making payment. So I decided to package this free tutorial for you. This tutorial will guide you on how to design a home page. That is, a home page is the first page of a website. When you visit a website, that very first page you're going to see, that is the home page. Okay, so how are you going to design it? And you know what? Once you know how to design a home page, then you've learned how to design all other pages. Okay, so this, you can also say that this is just in a nutshell how to design a full functional website. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to follow all the instructions, watch all the videos you're going to see in this page, then follow all the instructions, and you'll be able to design a full home page of a website. You can also possibly extend it to designing other pages by yourself, because once you know how to design a home page, like I said before, you can be able to design other pages. Okay, that said, what you have to, for you to follow this tutorial, you need a laptop. You need to have a laptop. For you to follow this tutorial. If you don't have a laptop, you can decide to sit back and watch the whole thing, depending when you get a laptop. You get me? But you need a laptop to actually follow. So if you have a laptop, follow every instruction. Once you follow every instruction, then you are good to go. All right, and once you're done designing it, oh my God, you're gonna love it. Okay, one more idea or knowledge you need for you to actually follow so well is you need the knowledge of HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS, but I assume that you didn't have that knowledge for now. That you don't have the knowledge for now. I assume that you've not learned HTML and CSS. If you've not learned any of these languages, don't worry. What you need to do is just to strictly follow everything I'm going to code. Type everything I'm going to type. Once you type it properly, you're going to get all the result that I'm going to get. Okay, so when we are done with this training and you want to take it to the next level, then you can consider registering in my online institute. Just you pay for it, you register, then I take it up from there and I teach you all the programming languages you need to become a professional web developer. That said, let's jump right inside. I'm going to start by introducing you to just the skeletal part of the home page. I just sketched a kind of a skeleton of the home page to show you how it's going to look like. Okay, now this is a kind of a sketch of the home page. So this is the topmost part of the home page. So at the topmost part of it, you have the top bar. Okay, the top bar is where you have maybe the phone number and the social icons. Not all websites have it. Okay, so you might not see the top bar in some websites, but that's okay. I just want to include it in this. Okay, so you have the phone number of the business here, or the phone number of whoever here, then and the social icon here somehow, or any other information here. You can also possibly have an advertisement at the top bar. Do you get that? So that's it. Then the second bar, the second section of the website of this home page is the navigation bar. This is where you have menu. Okay, you have menus. Then you can also have the logo of the website here. Okay, then the menus somewhere here. It depends on how you want to position your menu and the logo. Okay, then down here you have the slider bar. So this is where the slider will appear. When I said the slider, I mean the kind of a slideshow, the slideshow that moves in the website. Okay, you know, not all website has slideshow. You know, so if your own don't have it, like this one, I'm not actually going to include the slideshow for now. By the time you register and you start learning, you will learn how to design a slideshow, how to develop the slideshow. Okay, I'm just going to make it a normal static page. Okay, but just so that this is a position where you can, this is a place where you can actually code the slideshow. Okay, all right. That said, you know, in that slideshow, it contains most times the brief information about the websites, okay, and possibly the services of the website as well, in a nutshell. You understand? If it's not a slideshow, it can also contain, for example, let me give you an example. If this is an ICT website, then when it comes to this place, maybe here, you might come here and you have a picture that is describing what the website is about. Then you come here now, type in the text. Okay, maybe if it's an online institute website, maybe here you can have learn, maybe something like this, learn ICT courses from beginners to professional level. You get that? You have something like that here, just brief description of the service of the website. Do you understand that? So that's said. So that's for the slider bar. Then come down here. Then this is the main body. The main body of the website. Actually, in this body contains the services, the products or services of the website. Okay. If it's a business website, then it contains the businesses involved. Okay. Maybe the product, the website is marketing. Okay. Then the list of the products we can possibly be in boxes, okay. Maybe let me quickly show you a sample of it. Let me show you a sample of the website that looks like that. Okay, let me open Firefox and show you example of the website that looks like that. Okay, while the website is opening, okay, I think it's opening so fast. That's okay. Let me show you this website. Okay, let me show you Click's website. Let me use this website for example. It's opening. All right, now look at this website. So you see the top bar. You see the top bar of the website. Social icon is here, just like the internet is not on. Later I will turn on the internet. Okay, so don't worry. So this is the menu, and this is the logo. Now this is the slider. You see the slider the way it is. That's the website I coded for a spare parts company, a business, an importer of Ford spare parts. Okay. Then this is what I'm talking about at the body. So you have the products being offered by the company. You see it. So all these are the body section of the website. You see that? That's it. Okay. All right. So let me quickly go back to the sketch here. So the body will contain products and services. Okay. It can be either in sections or boxes or both. For example, when I say it can be either in section or boxes or both, let me go back to this website and explain what I mean by sections. If you watch, this is boxes. Do you get me? So this is boxes. These are boxes. Sorry, these are boxes. When you come here now, you see that after when the product ends, this is where the section for this product ends, and this is another section. Okay, this is another section. When you come down here, you see another section. All these sections are in a body of the website, and this is the last section and the body before the footer starts. This is where the footer starts. This is where the footer ends, according to my arrangement. You understand me? Okay, so you get what I mean by section. Section is just something like this. All these bars, they are sections. Section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5. So you can divide this body in sections. Okay, and put different informations in it. It depends on what you want to use the website to do. You understand? That if you just want to display the products in it, only the products, you don't want to divide in a section, then you can just use boxes only to display the products. Okay, so that's it. Then come down here, we have the footer. footer 1 and footer 2. Okay, this part of the footer most times contains contact details, quick links, etc. Let me show you this one. You see, when you come down here, you see that this is the this brief about the company. Then this is the contact. This is the shortcuts, like shortcut to the menus. Okay, to this menu. Then you have the shortcut here. If there are other quick links you want to add, you can add here. Okay, add it up here. Okay, then the last but not the least here is the footer 2. That's the last part of this section of the website. And here we'll have the copyright information of the website. So let's quickly look at it. So you see copyright. You see the copyright symbol. 2021, Please Authors Ventures Limited, all right reserved. Then you have the logo. If you want to put a logo, you put it. So this is all about the arrangement, the skeleton of the website. So when you have a picture, this kind of a picture in your mind, then you know that you are ready to start creating a wonderful web application. Okay, like I said, what we are creating here right now is the home page, of the website. Okay, so having said that, there are a few things you need to be aware of before you commence coding a website. Number one, you have to check, having created a skeleton, how it's going to look. You have to check the color you're going to use. The color, what kind of color, what kind of color combination you're going to use. And the color you're going to use is actually determined by the brand color of the person that owns the website, of the business that owns the website. Okay, so you have to ask your client, what color is your business logo? Maybe what's your business color, brand color? Do you have a brand color? If they don't have, then maybe you can help select for them. You can choose for them a color that you're going to use. And you know what? I would advise you to use at least 1 or 2 colors only. Don't use so many colors. 1 or 2 colors only. Don't use so many colors for the website. Do you understand? Just 2 colors is perfect for it. So don't go beyond 2 colors and start adding so many things. Okay. For example, if you want to use orange color here, maybe you can use white or orange. Black is always there for text most times. Okay. You can use orange, white, and black. Highest. Black seems to be neutral. Even white and black seem to be neutral there. Then you add orange there. Do you understand? If you want to use whatever color you want to use, then you can add white. White is usually the neutral color background. Okay, then you add black. The black is always there for text most times. Okay, that's for small text most times. Okay, paragraphs. When I say small text, I mean paragraphs most times. So once you have the color ready, then other things you need to also have is pictures. Okay, pictures. I've mentioned color. Don't forget. I've mentioned color. You need to have color. The brand color. Okay, brand color. Okay, then you need to have graphics, pictures. That is the pictures you're going to place in different places. So you have to take your time, create the graphics, okay, or search for the graphics on the internet, or buy some graphics on the internet that you're going to use. So get your work ready. Do you understand? So that's it. Then other things you should also have is the information about the website. So website information. When I say website information, I mean maybe about the website, about the business, the services the website is offering and stuff like that. Okay, so you need that. So you have to request then the contact details. You have to request for that from the owner of the website. If it is your own website, you have to first of all create those stuff. When you are done creating those stuff, then you put them together, then you commence your website. You get that? So all these things are what you need to move on. Okay, so that said, I think you are now well aware. You are cleared Okay, with what you need to do before you commence the coding. What should be in place before you commence the actual coding. Okay, so that's it. So this is the first segment of this tutorial. Okay, so the next tutorial we're going to talk about the actual starting of the coding. Okay, thank you so much. By the way, I'm Mushe Joe. I'm the founder of Heroic Universal Concept International. Like I said before, if you are interested, when you are done learning here, if you're interested to learn in details all the necessary programming languages you need to become a professional web developer, we are here to help you. Number one, we're going to help you, train you as an ICT consultant so that you start getting contracts as you learn. Because our intention here is to help our students to make money as they learn, okay, so that possibly before they are done learning, they would have recovered all the money they paid. That's our plan here, okay. So once you are done learning here in this free tutorial and you become interested in going further, we are here to guide you. Thank you so much.